Hi guys, it's Mrs. Gonzalez again. Today we're going to be talking about writing division story problems. You're going to be working on topic 9.5, and we have an example here. It says write a story problem or write a story about 8 kittens in 2 equal groups. Then model and solve your story. So you need to think of a story problem that we can write using this information. Okay. So I kind of have one that I was thinking, and it says, Miss Gonzalez has 8 kittens. She gave the same number of kittens to her 2 children. How many kittens did each child get? So you know that I have Kimberly and Jeremy. I have 8 kittens, and I give them both the same number of kittens. How many kittens will each one get? Okay, so that's a story problem that you could write here and think about it. Then let's look over here. Okay, this you saw on your video. This is our division symbol. Okay, and then here's a story problem. I have 12 fish. I put the same number of fish in 3 bowls. How many fish are in each bowl? Okay, so that's a story problem using this division equation. So that is what you're going to be focusing on today. So on number 1, you have a division sentence, and it's 20 divided by 4 equals 5. You need to think of a story problem that you can write using this equation. And if you see that you already have the pictures, so you have 4 baskets, and each basket has 5 fruits. So you can think about fruits. Okay, to write your problem. Here you have 10 divided by 5, or 10 separated into 5. And in this problem, you can talk about bananas. So think of a story problem that you can make using this picture and this equation. Now, here you have 12 divided by 3. Write a division story for the picture. So if you can think of a good story problem, go ahead and practice it. But this is all you're doing. It's 12 divided by 3. These are your groups. Okay? In each group, if you count how many pieces of puzzles are in each group, you know that there's 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. Okay? So try to write a story problem that matches this. Okay? I can think of one. I have 12 puzzle pieces, and I gave my 3 friends the same amount of puzzle pieces. Something like that, very similar. Think about this one, flowers, Mother's Day. Let's try to think about that. Okay, what can you make using this equation? So that's all you're going to be doing here. Then on this page, you have story problems. Okay? You need to solve them. It says Benito has 6 dog treats. He has 2 dogs. He gives each dog the same number of treats. How many treats does each dog get? Well, let's underline. He has 6 dog treats. We know that's the total number he has. And then we also know that he has 2 dogs. And he wants to give each dog the same number of treats. We want to know how many treats does each dog get. I would probably draw my pictures to represent something. So these are going to be my dogs. And then write your division sentence and your answer. Okay? So use your pictures, guys. Carol has 16 dog treats. She gives each of her dogs 4 treats. How many dogs does she have? Okay, in this one, we know the total number of treats that she has. She has 16. But we don't know how many dogs she has. You need to figure that out. So, we know that each dog gets 4 treats. So, again, draw pictures and figure out how many dogs does she have if she gives 4 treats to each dog. You know what I would probably do here? I would probably use repeated subtraction to solve this. Try to figure it out, guys. Okay? Now, this one says, what shows the story? 15 rabbits live in the forest, 5 rabbits live in each hole. How many holes are there? What is the equation here that represents this story problem? That's what they want you to solve. Okay, so that's basically what you're doing. You're going to focus on story problems. Here, all you're doing is looking at the example and then filling out what's missing. Okay, so make sure that you take the time to do it. And see if you can write division story problems. Okay guys, that is what you're going to be focusing on this. Try your best to make up some good story problems that I know that you can do it because you are smart and you have done them before in class. Have a good day and I will see you for the next lesson.